Hello, Colin from Video Revealed here, and it's time for the 2023 year in review. So we get to look at what kind of a year we had here at Video Revealed. Lots of tutorials, lots of great stuff created, lots of amazing support by all of our donors and all of the people that watch and like. We're now at 126,483 subscribers as of this morning. We gained 13,000, well, almost 13,000 subscribers for the year, 1.7 million new views, 27,400 likes, 14,700 shares. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate all of your wonderful support, the people who watch, the people that share. I try my best to give you interesting stuff and good tutorials, and I always test things. I used to work for Adobe, if you don't know, and anytime there's something that needs to be tested, I talk to my buddies at Adobe who are still there, and I thank them very much for the wonderful support that they give me. And Adobe's not slowing down. There's so many great things coming out, not just for Premiere Pro, but for Photoshop, for After Effects, making it easier, for Illustrator, and Adobe Express. If you haven't tried that out, give that a shot. I'll put links in the description for you. It's just a wonderful time to be in the creative world. Things are fun, and they're getting easier to make big changes and try things out and just test stuff out. And thanks to all the people that support us, thanks to the companies that support us, like BELECO, my wonderful backdrop company. If you noticed throughout the year, I changed the backdrop, and these are backdrops made by BELECO. They're fabric, they're hanging on the wall behind me, and it's just a lot easier than green screen. I don't have to do any of that compositing after the fact. It just makes life so much easier. So thanks so much to everyone who supported us. Like I said, I've got a huge list of new tutorials coming, and as Adobe develops new stuff, you'll see it. So from myself and Patty, who's our financial CFO, she's upstairs. I'm pointing upstairs. She's in the living room. I'm in my studio in the basement, and she's the one that keeps us on track financially. I'm the guy who does everything else, develops the show, shoots, edits, and all of that stuff. And thanks to everyone for supporting us. We'll say thank you, and we'll see you next year. And now let's look at our top donors for 2023.